So for the side-to-side exercise, which follows the rocking, we're going to take knee to chest, curling that sternum to the pelvis to unweight the head. And instead of each hand getting the knee, we're going to release the hoop to the ceiling. We take an inhale at center, exhaling as the knees, I sometimes call them the windshield wipers, they'll fall to the right, right elbow starts to catch us as we lower that heart down to the right thigh while the top leg, bottom arm extend. Inhaling as we roll back in the sternum, it drags that toe in, knee to chest, we come through the hoop at center, and exhaling as we fall to the left side, we catch with the elbow, we curl the heart down to left thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend. As we scoop in pelvic floor, rolling back in the sternum, it drags that top toe in until the knee floats. Knee floats. We come through our hoop. Right elbow catches as we curl the heart down to thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend. Scooping in pelvic floor as we roll back in sternum. We float knee to chest as we roll through to the left side, elbow catches, heart curls down to thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend. Rolling back in sternum, scooping in pelvic floor as it drags that top toe in until knee floats, and we come to center. That's our level 1 breathing. Exhaling and inhaling. Exhaling and inhaling. Next, we have our level 2 breath. We'll take an exhale as we fall to the right side. Heart curls down to thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend to prepare. And we're going to take an inhale into the right body. As we exhale, rolling back in the sternum to drag toe in, knee to chest. We keep exhaling as we fall through to the left, curling heart down to thigh. Top leg, bottom arm extend. We take an inhale into that left body, exhaling as we roll back. Straight through to the right side. We take an inhale into right body. Exhaling as we roll back in sternum to drag the toe in. Knee floats. We come through that hoop, through to the left side, exhaling through. We take an inhale into left body. Exhaling as we roll through, knee to chest. To the right side, curling heart down to thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend. We inhale, lengthen into that right body. Exhaling as we roll back, top leg floats in, rolling through to left body on that exhale, curling heart down to thigh, top leg, bottom arm extend. We take an inhale into that left body and exhaling as we roll back, knee floats to center, one leg down, other leg down, one leg long, other leg long, and we take rest and check in.